Got the
What's up, cousins? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting my channel, or you're just stubborn and you like to hang around and you're not subscribed yet, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and turn your notifications on so you don't miss a video. Now, if you have been subscribed to my channel or if you watch any of my recent videos, you know that I recently got my hair shaped up, and when I got it shaped up, it really just brought my puffs back to life. I recently tried a new slick down combo and I wanted to share it with you guys, so if you're interested in my updated puff tutorial, stay tuned. So I am starting on an old failed wash and go. This is the last wash and go that I showed you guys on my channel, where I just was trying to use up that main choice mood collection mousse or whatever. It didn't turn out good. It dried my hair out basically. So when stuff like that happens, I usually just pull my hair back, but I decided today I wanted to wear a high puff. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I did. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and try to get some moisture back into my hair, and I am just breaking that gel cast in the front by spraying it with straight H2O. That is all that is in my water bottle, and I was sent this water bottle from a brand, but you can get these kind of water bottles from you can get them from Sally's.
Sometimes me and Mambo help out Dad in the garden. He says plants respond to music, so that's why we're starting the day with a song for lettuce, carrots, and guava, because I provide the rhymes and Mom does.
Beatbox and opera.
So I make sure that my hair is pretty damp because I am going to re-moisturize it. So I just want to make sure that my hair is going to be able to actually absorb the product. The first product that I'm going to be using is a product that I really love by Camille Naturals. You guys know that I love their curl and style milk, or whatever it's called. I'll put it in the description box. I like to use this under my gels, and I'm using this just because, like I said, my hair is really dry and I wanted to give it a good base before I go on top of it with a heavy gel. Now, usually this is where a lot of people panic, because if you're putting a product on old hair, a lot of times it's, gonna cake up. You have to make sure that you work the product in your hair, especially if you're working on dry hair. What I do is when I apply the product, I spray a little bit more water on top of it, and I really take my time. Sometimes I spend like 5 minutes doing this, but I really make sure that I work the first product into my hair so that it's not white and showing a lot of flakes. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Wetline Xtreme. Like I said in that video, guys, there's definitely ways that you can use this product, and I still don't like it for wash and goes. I just think it's a little too heavy for me for how I'm liking to wear my hair these days, but it's still a really good slick down gel. I thought you guys would like to see a blast from the past. My OG cousins have seen this video before, but here is a clip of, some of my very first puffs I used to do in my hair. And yes, my hair was blonde in the front. Back then, I was a lot more interested in definition in my puffs. So if you are interested in how I got like a whole bunch of definition in my puffs back in the day, just go check out this video after you watch this one. You guys know that the first step for me in creating a really sleek wavy hairstyle is just making sure that my hair is thoroughly detangled in that section. So first I like to go in with a detangle brush. Today I'm using the brush by Mousse. I'll put it down in the DB as well. For this puff, I'm not particularly worried about definition. I'm actually going for a really like cotton ball-y, like more textured puff. More textured. I just made up a word. A more textured type puff. So, you know, it's completely up to you. But then, of course, I go on top of it with a soft boar bristle. Blah. I can't talk today. I go back on top of it with a soft boar bristle brush. You guys know I actually prefer to do my high puffs with shoestrings. It's how I learned to do them, so it's just the way that I prefer over the years. I do still have that middle part in the top of my head, but when I pick and fluff my hair, I'll get rid of that. And then one thing that I didn't show on camera, I thought my camera was recording, but it wasn't. I did go on top of the Wetline Xtreme with some Main Choice. These are the final results. I hope you guys enjoyed. Really simple. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see all you guys in the next upload.